You know, I used to eat Chapstick as a kid. I used to have challenges with like my friends in like elementary school, and well, there weren't really challenges. It was more like just who could eat Chapstick, and I think I was the best one, from what I remember. And then my friends and I started getting brave, and we're like, well, we got these red cherry chapsticks, and then we were like, well, red is cherry, so purple's gotta be grape. So then we tried glue, like the purple glue. That wasn't very smart, but yeah, I ate glue at one point when I was a kid. That shit was tight. Anyway, they put Buzz Lightyear in this game.
Buzz Lightyear!
I'm so excited for Buzz Lightyear. Oh! I have no reason to be up here. What am I supposed to do? Should have bubbled. Well. Oh, I hate their DPS. I hate this combo. I don't know why I thought she'd live that. Why are you? You could've back up. You could've backed up and gotten help, but no, you don't feel like it. You had 5 health. I couldn't heal you around the corner. You could have gotten full health in seconds. You gotta do something. Right. This is atrocious. So I think if I press up against a wall, I can kind of climb it in a way. It's kind of interesting. Oi! Oh my god, she's won! I have no way of this punching. That was atrocious. Gotta make better decisions. I feel like no one's making good decisions. Except for me, of course. I'm always making good decisions. Like, look, I got this. That's a good decision maker right there. I got a cool skin. I mean, it's a blue skin and it's one of the only ones I can get, but it's pretty tight. And then we have fucking default ass Ana. Bitch. Right. I'm not gonna look at that. I don't care. I'm going back to my little room. Did anyone know it's Mavis Beacon instead of bacon? Like this really fucked me up. Like Beacon. I thought it was bacon my whole life. We didn't use this for like when I was a kid. I didn't use this for teaching typing. I use this. Oh yeah, I was looking this up earlier. Type to learn 4, dude. Look at this. That's what I used. That shit was tight. These guys, alien people. I don't remember this. No, I do remember this. I do remember this one. There's the rover one. There's the icebreaker one. Yeah, the rover. I liked the rover one. Type to learn, man. Type to learn is messed up. I was cracked at it when I was a kid. Now I can only type when I'm angry in video games. Then we had those people in my class who had, they would put on an orange cover, like a rubber orange cover over their keys to flex that they can type without seeing their keys. And I wanted to like decapitate those people. I was so jealous, but like also so annoyed that they had to flex on me like that. It's not cool. You're not cool if you can type without looking. You're literally not. If you use ASDF JKL semicolon for typing, explode. I use my finger. I tap away at with my finger. Where's our tank? Kevin! 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 Kevin, 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 Kevin. I DC'd. Right on.
Stop the pushing and do it now.
Right on. What is happening? Oh, I'm here! I'm here! Ah! I thought it would put me back in spawn! What the fuck was that? You're okay, you're okay, you're okay. Man, Overwatch is going down the fucking drain, man. I mean, it has been. Fuck you! I hate Sombra. I hated her since launch. Why'd that hit me? I keep tanking the Sombra ship, or whatever that move is called. The little square. The techno square. Ah, stop! Why? This Sombra's out to get me for no fucking reason. That's so annoying! Ban her from the game. They should do hero bans so I can ban Sombra every fucking time I click start the game. And the only hero who can be banned is Sombra. Man, that's just not fun. Maybe I'm opening my eyes. Maybe I'm realizing how dog shit this game is. Well, I've known this game is dog shit, but it's my favorite. Or one of. Oh my god. Why couldn't Sombra just stay bad? I miss when she was really fucking bad and no one played her. Stop! Haha, stop! This game sucks. I'll be the first to say it.